So this is the finished unit, and how are we liking it? This little bob is so freaking cute. This is from the brand Arabella on Amazon. Now this is their 12-inch 6x6 lace wig, and it is human hair as well. Now the density on this wig, it says it's 210% density. It is a glueless wig as well, and you don't really need to put any like type of adhesive or anything, any lace spray or anything like that. Like you can just put it on and get out the door. I always like to apply the lace spray just for a little bit of more security on my head, because I don't want it to fall off, because where I live it's very hot and humidity is crazy, so I have to make sure the wig stays on my head. So this wig is 12 inches. Now it is a little bit longer in the front, and I kind of like that. Like I kind of like how long it is in the front, and then in the back it is like a little bit shorter. It gives the wig a nice style. Now this wig also did come pre-plucked and pre-cut, so it is 100% easy and beginner friendly for you if you are interested in this bob wig. This wig is also bleached. I did not have to do much. Like I only put my tint spray that I always do in my videos. My lace was looking a little bit white in my phone camera, so I did apply a little bit of foundation, but I feel like it's just because of my big ring light and I did not need it. Now I will say that this unit is big head friendly. I tell y'all this all the time. I have a big head, so that is one of the main things that I look for if a unit is big head friendly. This one is very big head friendly. It comes with the elastic band in the back. It also comes with like this non-slip silicone all around the wig, so like in the back, and I believe like in the front right here. It comes with this silicone part on it, and it just makes the wig stick to your head. And I'll tell you, I kid you not, like this wig will not, it's not going to budge. It's not going to come off if someone tries to like really rip it off. Like I said, this is 100% human hair. So when I was flat ironing it, I believe I had my flat iron on 430 degrees. So it gets pretty hot and it can take heat very well. It does not shed. I've been doing this ever since I put this dang wig on. It does not shed at all. Nothing comes out of my fingers. So it is a very good quality wig. Now, if you guys are interested in this wig, I'm going to be linking it down below for you in my description box, so look out for that. But yeah, this is going to be the end of the video. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. Oh, and I also reached 500 subscribers as well, so thank you guys so much for supporting me. This is really something that I love to do, so thank you guys, and tell your friends to subscribe to my channel. There's going to be a lot more content, hair content, family content, food content, all of that. And yeah, if you're not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.